Nicole again from Sail Away Group Travel. Are you ready to go on a cruise and wondering what in the world you should pack? Well, whether you're going on a massive ocean liner, exploring Europe on the river cruise, or enjoying the ultimate luxury of a yacht cruise, your packing may look a little different for each cruise. So today, we're going to share with you our cruise packing guide. First, let's talk about ocean cruises. Ocean cruises tend to be a little more casual during the day, but depending on your cruise line, you may have elegant evenings, specialty restaurants, themed parties, and formal or dress-up nights. You'll definitely want comfortable clothes for exploring ports, a swimsuit or two, comfortable walking shoes, and something a little nicer for the evening. Now let's talk about river cruising. River cruises are usually more destination focused, which means you're going to be doing a lot of walking. Comfortable shoes are probably one of the most important things you can pack. We also recommend layers because temperatures can change throughout the day. River cruises are generally more relaxed in the evenings, so you can usually leave the formal wear at home. Think more country club casual. And finally, yacht cruising. Yacht cruises are all about relaxed luxury. Picture resort casual, but with a stylish twist. Lightweight clothing, swimwear, cover-ups, comfortable sandals, and a few nice outfits for dinner are perfect. And depending on the yacht and destination, you may spend a lot of time enjoying the outdoors, so don't forget sunscreen, sunglasses, and a hat. No matter what type of cruise you're taking, there are a few things that should always be on your packing list. Your travel documents, medications, chargers, adapters, comfortable shoes, and of course a small carry-on with anything you might need before your luggage arrives. The good news is you really don't need to overpack. The key is packing smart and packing for your specific cruise experience. And remember, the best packing list is one that fits the cruise you're actually taking. Ocean, river, and yacht cruises each offer a different experience, and a little preparation can make your trip that much more enjoyable. So pack smart and your patience. Leave a little room in the suitcase for the memories you're going to bring home. And most importantly, don't forget to just enjoy the journey. So when you're ready to book your next cruise, give us a call at 407-457-9799 or visit us at sailawaygrouptravel.com. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone that needs a little cruising inspiration. Until then, happy travels and see you on the water.